Huzur, who was the killer or assassin of Lekhram?
That is a mystery which still persists, and nobody can answer this question. Apparently it was a human hand, but that human hand was never discovered, despite the circumstances which prompted the inquiries from all government agencies and the private Hindu agencies, which should have resolved this riddle, but he was never caught. After stabbing Lekhram, this person who called himself Abdul Karim, wasn't he? No.
His name was not mentioned. Is not mentioned.
His name
is not recorded.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Achha. Whatever his name was, he had come to Lekhram with a request that he should be turned into a Hindu, and previously he was a Muslim. So Lekhram gladly did it. And the evening when Lekhram was murdered, he was writing the history of biography of Dayanand. So having finished it, he expressed his gratitude that I have now finished this, and did a nangarai, like this. Oh. And that was the time when the person stabbed him, and his intestines were all cut and went out of emerged out of the belly, and it was a horrid sight to see. And intestines were cut from many places. So then he ran up to the roof, and having ascended the roof, he was not known where he had gone, because at the noise of the mother of Lekhram and his wife, the Hindus, because it was a Hindu mahalla, Hindus rushed upstairs, and this person had gone further up, climbed the top of the 3 stories building, and if he had jumped out, he should have broken his legs or might have died there. But they saw all around, and there was no trace of him. Where he had gone? That is why it was said of him, the witness said, that either he must have been engulfed by the heavens, or it is impossible, because he was nowhere to be found. Was it?